Breaking news coming in. Congress protests in Bengaluru over farm laws is underway. They are showing solidarity with the protesting farmers. Latest visuals coming in from Bengaluru on your screens right now. Congress leaders protesting in Bengaluru, standing by in solidarity with the protesting farmers. Remember, the farmers have been protesting for 2 months over the repealing of the farm laws. They want the farm laws to be repealed, and it's been 2 months with the farmers stir. No plausible resolution coming in from the talks that are taking place between the centre and the farmer unions. And at the moment in South, in Bengaluru, these are the visuals coming in. Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah. You can see on your screens right there, that is Siddaramaiah. Indeed, he's wearing a mask. But Siddaramaiah and Shivakumar have joined in these protests. We are getting you all these visuals that are coming in from Bengaluru. This is the Congress protests. They've joined in with the farmers to show solidarity. Let's get you a reaction coming in from DK Shivakumar on this.
What is your demand today?
Demand is they should withdraw the bill. We want the farmers to have freedom. We want the farmers to have freedom. This government has blocked all our farmers who are entering Bangalore city. No big buses has been. They are coming voluntarily. This is not only the Congress movement. This is a farmer movement. Congress party stand by the farmers of this country. There is no caste, no color, no party, no religion, anything. So they are trying to break the voice. They doesn't allow to enter Bangalore city. Bangalore belongs to everyone. We want to see that the Raj Bhavan is been seized out of it.
So they are planning to arrest you and your party leaders as well.
Let they arrest, let they do whatever they want.
Will still carry on the march?
We will carry on. We are least bothered about their arrest.
Throwing straight across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who's getting us this story and these visuals that are coming in from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, we can see Siddaramaiah and Shivakumar, who are standing by in solidarity with the farmers and are staging that particular protest. And you did question Shivakumar on that they are planning to arrest you. If I could just throw this straight across to you to get us reactions from what Shivakumar really said, what Siddaramaiah has to feel about this, and has the Congress party taken permission for this protest as well?
In fact, Chaiti, Congress party did approach the police department for permission for this march, for the Raj Bhavan Chalo march, but the Home Department, the Traffic Department have declined any permission for a protest march. But however, the march is happening as we speak. Around 3,000 to 4,000 members of the Congress party from different farm unions have taken part here. They're marching towards Freedom Park as we speak. From Freedom Park, they will be marching towards Raj Bhavan, where they'll try to gehrao the Raj Bhavan, and also they've sought an appointment from the governor of Karnataka, where they will go and submit a memorandum against the farm laws of Karnataka and across India. They're against the Farm Laws Land Reforms Act that has been passed here in Karnataka Assembly. They feel that it's pro-corporate and not pro-farmer, and that's the reason. And they're also extending the support for the farmers there in Delhi, the Haryana-Punjab farmers who are protesting in Delhi border. They're also extending their support here. So complete 3,000 to 4,000 people, complete show of strength from the Congress party. And we'll have to wait and watch at what point of time will they be detained. According to the police department, just post the Freedom Park, they will be detained. They will not be allowed to go to the Raj Bhavan is what we are told.
All right, Nagarjun getting us that breaking story that is coming in at the moment. Congress protests against farm laws. We're getting some more breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.